Welcome back. It's your girl eshablavish, and we're here for another beauty unboxing, guys. Today I have a special one. I bought a mystery box. It was a $55 mystery box, and I have it here. I picked it up from the post office. Today. So here it is. Here. It's really heavy, so I appreciate it. A little bit about this seller. Well, I'll leave all of her details down below. But just a little quick glimpse about her. She sells mystery boxes. She sells skincare. She sells fashion, clothing, jewelry. She sells everything. She sells handmade boxes. She sells men's boxes and children's boxes. So this is, I think, her cheapest box was $55, and I think they go up to like $250 or something like that. I will leave her website down below. She's really sweet, and like the funny story, I was her first the first person to buy a box from her on Etsy. So I was her first ever customer. So it's like me and her share like I feel like we share a connection. But anyway, so this is my second box for y'all. I didn't review the first box because when I first purchased it, I wanted to make sure it was legit. I wanted to make sure it was a good box before I sat here on camera and said, go purchase from this seller. So once I found out like she was good, she was legit, I was like, yes. So here we go. I already just kind of slashed it open just because they had my address on there, so I took all that off, but I haven't looked at it. That's the inside of it right there. She always puts a little card on top, so let's open that first. Okay, right there's the card, and it has my name on it. Oh, she said, Aisha, thank you so much for ordering for me again. I hope you love everything in the box. I put a few extras that I hope you enjoy. Stay healthy. Love, Urban Milan. Okay, guys, and I'll let you get a little sneak peek. And as you can see, it's filled to the brim. All right, so let's start with the first one. It looks like a nail polish. I told her no polish, but okay. Oh, it's not a nail polish. Okay, so this is the AMC Advanced Makeup Components. This is the Inglot Face Blush. Okay. Oh, it comes in a tube. I've never heard of this. I don't know what this is. Hold on, let me see. It's a face blush. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, it smells like, that's paint for you. It smells like straight paint. So do you, I don't know, I don't really know how this works, but I guess like I just have to look it up, because I'm not sure, like, do you just put it on your, it's like you put it on there and you just like fade it out? Is that how that works? I'm not sure, but I don't know. So it's very creamy. I'm not sure I would like a product like this because I like powdered blushes, so I don't know if I'm gonna be a fan of like cream blush, but we'll give it a try. Next item looks like somewhat of a palette. Let's see. Oh no, it's eyelashes. Ooh, I need some more eyelashes too. Oh yay! So this is the Kiss Natural Flourish Blooming Lash. So it's a little bit more on the natural side. This is cool. I can deal with this. I don't need like a dramatic lash 24/7 because I have some lashes right now and they just like poof. And I need a pair that's like more on the natural side. So this is cool. Okay. Just some some eye patches here, which are not bad, and then a nice little exfoliating face mask. Sheet mask, which is not bad. I love getting products like this. I always use these, so I'm not mad about that. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this bag. It's so cute. Look at this. I love this. I might put this in my purse. This is too cute. Oh, she got more stuff in here. Hold on. Let's open this. I'm going to open this out. This is Dome Beauty. It's a three brush set all over. Oh, it's a 3-brush set. Okay. So I got an all over shadow, eyeshadow lid, and eyeliner. Oh, yeah. I love brushes. Dome Beauty. I haven't heard of Dome Beauty. I feel like I've heard of them, but I haven't. Okay, that's what it comes in. That's cute. Oh, I have a little. Oh, it's cute. Like you can travel and go with them. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Like, do y'all see that? Ooh. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's really pretty. I can definitely use that. Like right there. I probably wouldn't use this. Which one is this? Which one is the all over shadow brush? Eyeshadow lid and the eyeliner. Okay, this is the eyeliner. I guess this is the all over shadow, but I wouldn't use that for that. I don't know. I'd probably use it probably for some like concealer or something. But okay, they feel okay. They don't feel like the greatest quality, but they're decent. Yeah, and I like this little to-go little thing here. Okay, that's cute. All right, so we got brushes so far, lashes, and cream blush. Cool. And I can't take it out because I don't have no makeup wipes. I don't know where they are right now. The Curl Starter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. Okay. Did I tell her? I sworn I thought I told her I didn't want any hair curl. Like, I thought I told her just makeup, oh God, my leg. I thought I told her just makeup and, skincare. I don't know. But anyway, this is the Curl Starter Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. I do like this brand. This is a really nice brand. I've had, I use their mousse. I have had the, oh God, what was that called? It was some type of cream. I had that, the buttercream or something. I had that one too. So I got that, and I also got from Carol's Daughter the Curl Twist and Custard. Not bad, okay. And I do, of course, have my natural hair is kinky. It's like a 4B type texture. So I'll definitely give these a try. I'm not really upset about it. I was just hoping that it was just gonna be just makeup only, because I sworn I thought I told her just makeup, but it's okay. So we'll put those to the side. So I have an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow here. Oh, this thing is dip. You know what? I'm gonna open it for y'all. I'm gonna open it, but it's like sealed up. I wonder how much these are. I think these are probably like $5 at Ulta. Yeah, I like this color. I do. It's like a nice little crimson color. Like, it's not showing up like on camera good, but oh, there you go. But it's a really pretty color. Yeah, let me give y'all a little swatch of it. Oh, it's kind of patchy, but you get the picture. So, and then I also have the Essence Contour Powder. Yeah, I don't know. That's not gonna work for me. But yeah, might gotta give that away. It's in the shade medium, so yeah, I'm not even gonna swatch that because I know I'm not gonna use it. And then I also have, what's this? This is the Lottie London Ombre Blush. I'm not gonna open that one either because I probably won't use that either. It's just too pink for me. It's pretty packaging though, but it's too pretty. It's too pink. We have, is this the last one? Oh. Okay. And then I have that little bag. And this one looks like a palette. So let's see. Oh, okay. Cool. This is the Pixie by Petra palette. Okay. It's an 18 soft silky eye shades that come in a natural mineral formula blended with a fluffy eye brush. Okay. You know what? Pixie is not a brand that I just have gravitated towards. It just never was like, what's the word for me? It just never was eye-catching. Like, nothing from Pixie ever, like, made me go like, oh, I have to go buy something from them. Nothing. I know, that's a shocker, right? Because people love this. People love Pixie. Like, I don't know why. But I guess I'm going to find out, right? I don't know. If I can open it. Because people hyped up that, Pixie Glow Mist or whatever they had. Oh gosh, I remember that crave. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so it's a nice palette. It has a, oh, if I can open it, I can show y'all. It's a pretty palette there. It has a mix of like neutral shade, not neutral, warm shades, which is really pretty. I love these shimmer shades over here. So we got a couple. We got what, 10, 11, we got 13, 14. We literally got 14 shimmer shades. We got a nice black shade in there too, a nice deep black. A nice deep brown. Is it a really pretty deep brown though? Because brown is, nah, it's more like, it's not really like a nice brown. Okay, well, wait. Ooh. These shades are like kind of patchy. This is what y'all like? They just don't show up that well. Oh, and they're so patchy. These shades are patchy. It's the Festive Eyes palette. The palette's cute. The palette's actually pretty. The shades are horrible though. Ugh. And if they swatching like, I don't know. Okay, this is the last thing in the box. And it has some stuff inside. I'm gonna keep this. This bag is so cute. Let me just like, do y'all? What about makeup on it? Do y'all see this though? Like, how cute is this? Okay, just can't get over there. It's so cute. All right, what's in this one? Ooh, these are the kind of lashes I like. She got me the Sheree, I want to say cosmetic lashes, and this is in Tiffany. I just got an epiphany. I need to go Tiffany's. Okay. Ooh, see those? I love those. I love those. Those are some pretty lashes. Okay. Ooh. And then we have the Manicadar Beauty Lip Gloss Priming Gloss and Satin. Ooh, that's pretty too. I like that. I like this brand Manicadar. I just started recently liking them. I had received a, oh god, what was that? A lash primer serum, a lash primer from them, and I like it. Like before I put it on, and then I do my mascara, and it just elongates my lashes. So pretty. And then what's next? Oh, she put a lot of goodies. Ooh, I have the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Okay, cool. I know you can get these from TJ Maxx for like $7 now. These have, I don't know why they went down. That's bad. Okay, that's that. I'm not a fan of this color. Let's see. I'm not a big fan of that color though. It's in the shade Sangna. Okay, I have the Ilamasqua. What's this? Nail varnish. She did send me a nail product. Why she send me a nail product? I told her makeup. I ain't even tell her skin. Ooh, it's actually kind of cute. It's so vampy looking. Oh, my bad. Just in case y'all wonder. I don't know what shade. Oh, it's in the shade Scarab. Scarab. Some one of those shades. Okay. What else we got? It's like a spoon. Oh. I have, okay, she just sent me an eyelash curler. I'm not gonna get no use out of this. It's from Pure Cosmetics. To be honest, rant, I don't see the purpose in these. Like, even when people use them, like when I see them, like, okay, let me curl my lashes. Like, I look at the, like when they do it and I'm like, it really didn't do anything. Like, it really didn't. My opinion, but I don't see the hype in eyelash curlers. I just think they're unnecessary. My opinion. Another nail polish. Okay, this is another nail polish, and it's a pretty nude. I don't know what shade it's in. Yeah, I don't know what shade this is in, but it's a pretty nude shade. Okay. What else is this? And I also got, what's this? This is the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. Ooh, in shade Deep Rich. Okay, let me see, because this might, I know it's going to be too dark. Ugh. Let me see. I know it's going to be too dark. I don't even know why I'm saying let me see, but let me see. Hold up. I got to open it. Okay, hold on. Okay. I've never seen this, but whatever. Let's just see. Oh, yeah, it's too dark. It's pretty, though. It's way too dark, though. But, hey. The sad part about mystery boxes. We just get products. Alright, y'all. Next is the Glossed Lottie London. What is Lottie London? This is the second product. This is the Gloss Supercharged Gloss Oil Tint. I don't know about this box. I'm not like, dang. I can't open this, but I'm gonna just show y'all. This is the Lottie Gloss Oil Tint. It's cute. I use it. I got on lip oil right now. So, is that it? Yeah. What's this? This is another. This is the Ecru Velvet Air Lipstick. I think that's that. What is Ecru? What is that? Everybody just stealing this type of packaging now. Like, ooh. I love dark colors. Like I'm like, I don't know, but I love this color. Look at that. Like on my skin, you can see it on my skin tone how pretty it looks. Like these colors always just pop for me. Like pop. I like this. And this is in the shade Mulberry. I like this. This is pretty. And that was my final product, guys. So this is the list for all the prices of everything. This is a lot. Oh, okay. So the Carol's Daughters creams, the two creams, one $11.99, $11.99, and then the, sorry guys, I'm trying to do it. The Sheree Cosmetics lashes are $8. The Dome Beauty brush set was $65. I can't find it. The Dome Beauty brush set was $65. The Stila lip color was $22. Well, we know it retails like at TJ Maxx for $7. It's $8. The Manicadar lip products $24. The Ecru or the Isuru, I don't know, is $24. The nail polish is $15. Morgan Taylor was $4. What was Morgan Taylor? Oh, the nail polish. The Lottie London right here was $7. The Pixie by Petra eyeshadow palette was $24. The Lottie London gloss was $6. Oh my bad, that was $6. Not what I said. The Essence Contour Palette is $6. The Ulta Beauty eyeshadows $8. The Patchology eye gels are $4. The Peel Mask is $8. Pure Eyelash Curl is $12. And the makeup bag is $10. I really love this bag. Okay, and she said their box is valued at $284.48. Okay, and like I said, this is her little thing down below. Like I told y'all, she do like all type of mystery boxes. Okay, final thoughts. I always say I'm gonna be honest on my page, my channel. Let's say my page. This ain't Facebook. This ain't Instagram. This box was not my favorite. Like the first box I ordered from her was the bomb. Like it was the bomb. I don't know what happened this box. I don't know if she's like running low on stock. I don't know what it is, but like these are not the brands and this is not the products that I'm used to getting. Like I only ordered from her one time, but she normally comes like way better, like way like the bangers, like you know what I mean, products that make you go like oh okay, like and it's like she gave me a palette. Like I got one palette by Pixie, and I'm gonna try it, but still right now I'm like and then it's like 2 pairs of lashes, 2 nail polishes, you know, hair care. I didn't really want hair care or nail polish. The brush, you know, the brush set was decent. Let me stop. But it's like the extras, like all the extra lipsticks and stuff was a little unnecessary. The eyelash curler. So those things I could have passed on. But all in all, I rate the box. I rate it like a 3 out of 5. Like my last box is like a 5 out of 5. When I tell y'all, my last box was 8. But you know what? I'm gonna be kind about it. I'm gonna just send her a sweet little message and just thank her. Like, thank you so much for the box. But you know, this time it just wasn't like how you normally do, girl. Like, and I waited on this box for a week. But it's whatever. So yeah, guys, like I said, if y'all want to check her out, I will leave the details down below about, you know, the seller and in case y'all want to purchase the box from her in the future. Okay. I think that's it. But anyway, thank y'all for coming to watch my video. I will see you guys on the next video. I will be filming my BoxyCharms and empties, and I will be filming my allures. They are coming soon, so those will be getting filmed probably sometime this week, just to let you guys know, so keep a lookout. Okay, and once again, I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.